In July 2008, scientists have confirmed the existence of a previously unknown population of greater bamboo lemurs formerly known as Heptalemur simus and now known as Prolemur simus in Madagascar in the Toro Fatsi, more than 400 kilometers from the only other place where the critically endangered species is known to live. Its name was changed due to its distinctive dental and chromosomal characteristics. Their suborder is Strepsihurini, family is Lemuridae, genus Prolemus, and species Simus. Subfossil remains confirm that the genus was widespread throughout the Madagascar, but now is scarcely found at all. For many years, scientists believed that these lemurs lived in the Toro Fatsi area, but were never able to prove it. These researchers believe that there are 30 to 40 greater bamboo lemurs in the Toro Fatsi wetlands, which is far to the north of the isolated pockets of bamboo forests where the rest of the known populations of species live, which creates hope that the greater bamboo lemurs have a chance at survival. If they can find lemurs in other areas where they were believed to live, then there's a chance that they might be somewhere else as well. These distinctive lemurs have jaws strong enough to crack giant bamboo, which happens to be their favorite food. Many scientists said it was more of a significant event finding this long-lost lemur living in these areas than it was finding a brand new species or genus of lemurs. The greater bamboo lemur is actually the only member of the entire primate genus. This sheer fact makes it one of the most endangered primates in the world. Documented populations are scarcely distributed and restricted to the south-central portion of the country's eastern rainforests. The greater bamboo lemurs have been endangered for some time because their habitats have been destructed by slash-and-burn agriculture and illegal logging. It was therefore classified as critically endangered by the IUCN. Even in the rainforest of Ranomafana, there are only a few individuals remaining today, despite this area being a relatively large national park. This makes the finding of lemurs in a new location particularly important. The greater bamboo lemur is a nutritional specialist, almost exclusively feeding on only one species of bamboo. The animals are resting for 51% of the day, where activity levels decrease with age. The peak resting time for lemurs is between 9 and 13 hours. Feeding is the second main activity of the lemurs. Playing behavior is more frequently seen in males, especially in the youngest ones. Lemurs use the forest height level of between 5 and 10 meters, where its main food source such as colpith leaves and young shoots are to be found. The animals seem to use lower areas where the temperatures increase. The distribution of bamboo tends to be higher in those areas where the animals were often observed. Reservations are now being set up to prevent any more destruction of their habitat as to increase the population and hopefully be able to take them off the endangered genus list and hopefully allow them to flourish once again.